Welcome to MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're taking a look at our brand new 2023 Sea Ray 290 SDX. Beautiful boat here. We've got the Horizon hull side color with the white hull bottom, which really ties into the white sports tower up here. You can see the accent has the Horizon as well. Nice big sunshade up there. Stainless steel components as we walk down the boat, stainless steel railing, and then we've got the cleat right there as well. Really big swim platform here. We've got SDX up here. This boat does have a submersible swim step that folds into the water. Under here we've got underwater lighting and trim tabs. This is a Bravo 3 Mercruiser 350 horsepower engine. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, welcome inside our brand new 2023 Sea Ray 290 SDX. Starting up here in the bow, got a lot of room up here for seating all around. Got some armrest here too. And then we have some storage underneath this locker as well. This boat does come with a bow filler cushion. And then on the upholstery, we've got the dune upholstery and the tan SDX all the way through the boat. This boat does have the built-in door dam here, and then windshield that closes, keeps you more warm on those cold days here in Minnesota. As we walk into the boat, we can start here at the helm. Got a nice big seat right here. What I like about the SDX line is with these backrests, you can rotate them in a couple of different positions, either facing backwards or forwards. Moving over towards the helm, right here we do have your tilt steering wheel, 12-inch Simrad display screen. You got your chart plotting, engine diagnostics, a very intuitive system here that makes it a lot easier when you're on the water driving. We have the Premier Fusion stereo upgrade. Got all your switches and controls right here, very accessible. All right, this boat does have a head here, lots of room down below. And then we do have a recessed glove box right here. Nice big entryway into the entertainment section of the boat. We do have built-in a locker here as well, an air compressor for toys. Right now we just have the cover that's down there and stored. And then over here, seating behind the captain's chair, we've got the L group seating here. Cup holders both on top and then below, and then there's also a cooler underneath here, and then a nice little wet bar. These just pop out. We've got a self-draining sink, can fit some drinks in there and keep them cold, and then we do have a faucet right here. And then below, this just acts as more storage space. And then making our way towards the stern of the boat, nice feature that I like on a lot of these Sea Rays is the step to get in and out of the boat, so you're not stepping on upholstery, and it's just a safer way to get in and out of the boat. And then walking back here, we've got a Transom Remote, again Fusion audio, great sound quality on these boats. And then we have the two loungers here. You can sit back, relax. If you're an anchor, just watch back and see what's happening behind you in the water. And then I'm gonna open a couple of these up. Got a little bit of storage there. And then another smaller self-draining insulating cooler. This boat is located here in Rogers. Feel free to make an appointment, give us a call. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.